Hey everyone, so I just got this smoke machine from Amazon.com. This was an Amazon Prime item. I paid $300 for it. Overall, it's a great machine. It does have some cons. This machine is pretty much ready to go out of the box. You need to have either baby oil or mineral oil. Just connect your hook, connect the power, connect your hose, add the oil, and you're basically ready to go. It comes with a bunch of accessories. It comes with the cone here. You also have another adapter here to plug in your smoke line, Schrader valve tool. The bladder, I think that this was a great value, and I think it's pretty great that this company did include this. Red lines, I think, is about 100 to 20 to 150 on Amazon. So that was a pretty good thing to provide. The EVAP port right here comes with the bottle. One of the biggest cons with this machine is this bottle. They say that this is 30 milliliters. I believe that this is a 60 milliliter bottle. I do vape, and my bottle of e-juice here is 30 milliliters. I filled this up full of baby oil, and I transferred that into this, and it only filled it up halfway. So if you're going to buy this machine, I recommend only filling this bottle up halfway and adding that amount at the first use. I could be wrong, but you may want to double check that if you are going to buy this machine. The other con, that flow meter is not adjustable. It comes with an assortment of like silicone caps, so you could plug some stuff off. You have another assortment of these rubber plugs here. So it comes with quite a bit of accessories. Overall, I recommend it. I think it's a great machine. I've used it 4 times now. It's putting out a nice amount of smoke, but that's not adjustable. Very big con. And the instruction manual, you have 2 pages, which starts on page 4. Try to go kind of slow if you guys want to pause the video and read that. But yeah, like I said, they say it's a 60 milliliter or 30 milliliter bottle. I don't think it is. I believe it's a 60. So double check that. All right, so I'll show you a demo of this machine. I have the smoke machine connected to my battery, and it's basically ready to go. I have the oil in there. I'm going to connect the bladder. I disconnected my air intake hose right there, so I'm going to connect the bladder right there. So once I get this pumped up and sealed in here, I'm going to turn the machine on. You don't want to go too far, just enough so it's snug. So I'm going to power on the machine and then hit the smoke button, and the smoke will come out, I think, in under a minute. So I just hit the power button. Now I turned on the smoke, and it is already coming out. Pretty sure you guys could see that. So I'm going to insert that right here into this hose. And you shouldn't see any smoke come out of here if that's sealed. But as you can see, I believe my intake manifold gaskets, and I already know my throttle body, that gasket up there is cracked. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the smoke button off. I'm just going to hit off the smoke button, and I'm going to keep the machine's compressor running out all that residual that's left over. Okay, so I'm going to power that down now. It doesn't take long. If the system was sealed, you'd probably see that flow. I'll turn it back on. But you'd see that ball drop right there, and you'd see that gauge rise. So for mobile automotive repair, I'd highly recommend this smoke machine. It comes with this bladder for 300 bucks. It comes with a bunch of accessories. It has a built-in air compressor. All you need to have is a good battery. The hose length, I think, is kind of short. Also the battery, let me show you that, the cables. I feel that these cables at the length are kind of short, but they do work. So just all you need is a battery. It has a built-in air compressor. Go get some baby oil from the dollar store and you're ready to rock and roll. So I highly recommend this kit from Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.